I want to say that this would be a great spot for the drone.
It's a bit windy.
It's a little bit windy. I think the drone can handle it. So we're here at the Great Ocean Road. This is a beautiful area at the bottom of Australia. A road that winds around the coastline and through many little cool towns. Since we've done this road trip once before, we wanted to check out some places that we missed last time. The Great Ocean Road is big and beautiful, and we're gonna do the whole Great Ocean Road, but I've already done that. I did that 2 years ago. So this is what it's like driving down the Great Ocean Road. It's like you drive, stop, get out, look. Drive, stop, get out, look. It's a really good video. I just didn't want to have to do the same video twice. And the main thing is we just didn't want to have to drive and stop, get a bunch of shots. Our lives aren't a vacation. Check out the video. Oh, it's up here. Great Ocean Road.
Where's the video? Up here?
No, up here. I go. Warning, squiggly lines? Ah! So after we got to see some cool sights, spend a little bit more time, we found ourselves in a little town called Lorne. A quiet little beach town with a lot going on. And then found one of my favorite hotels. Yay!
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure you'll love one.
This hotel is really cool. One thing I really like about this hotel is that in the morning they give you breakfast. So the night before you fill out a little card and you tell them what you want, and then hi. Good morning. Your coffee, orange juice, my favorite. I think that's a really, really fun way to start the day, is when someone brings you breakfast. Thanks again.
Bye.
She owns the place. It's her baby.
It's your baby.
But that's it for here on the Great Ocean Road in Lorne. We had actually a fantastic time. Next video, we're gonna head up to Point Lonsdale.
Loinsdale.
We're headed to Point, yeah. Check out the next video, it's gonna be really cool. And then we're gonna be heading to Auckland to join the Pacific Jewel very soon. So stay tuned, a lot of cool stuff happening on this channel. And I'm happy you're here. All right, gotta go. See you guys. Thanks for watching this vlog about the Great Ocean Road. What do you want for dinner?
Pizza. Actually, ask me again.
All right. What do you want for dinner?
Spaghetti.
So I feel like if you've gotten this far in the video, you might as well hit that subscribe button. And you see that little bell? If you click it, you'll get notified for my next video. Also, if you're bored, watch this other video. I mean, why not?